Okay, so I'm back doing another firework video again, and the reason why the thumbnail for this video is not gonna look like this is because I accidentally ended the original recording that I was making, and also I spawned in another bottle rocket and it accidentally lit, and it exploded this, and that it released all of these little firecrackers, so I spawned in another one. So anyways, yeah, also by the way, there's sound since I unplugged since I unplugged the headphone cord. So there's gonna be sound, it's just that I don't know if you can hear it in the video. Wait, let's do it again. Okay, let me know, or is the comments gonna work on the video? I don't know. Just let me know if you can hear the sound. Anyways, we're doing the video again. Got these little circus tents again. So we're gonna line them and we're gonna see them. There it goes. And it explodes. That's what it does. We also got a wheel. Got a little firework wheel. That's what it looks like on the bottom. It shoots out sparks and it spins. There it goes. Wait, I need to scoop my chair in. Wow. Well, that's what it does. It like shoots sparks, and at the end, before it stops, it like does this. And it's spinning really fast. Look at that. Oh, it stopped. Okay, well, let's move on to the next fireworks. So we have these stick fireworks, and the last time we did it, I only had I think 3 or 4 of them. I don't know. But now we have all of the stick fireworks. So we're gonna do some of these, and we're gonna save the rest for the end. So we're gonna do this tiny blue firework right here, this machine gun looking one, and this other machine gun looking one, and this one, and we'll save the last 2 for the end. So let's do the blue one first, since it's like a tiny one. So we're gonna do the blue one. So yeah, and it right there. Bam! Is it done? Oh, it is. It only shoots like once. Anyway, so that was that. So now, okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, so one of the dogs came in my room. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna do the next one. So we're gonna do this one. Anyways, let's light it. Let's see it. Oh, look at that. It was a machine gun. Look at that. Wow. So now you know what this one's gonna do. Now you know what this one's gonna do. So it's gonna do like the same thing. So let's see it. Whoa. That. Oh, this time it's blue. This time it's blue. Oh, look at my fingernails. Yeah, I got my fingernails cut. So now we have these 2. Or these 3. Oh, yeah, I forgot there was oh. Okay, now we gotta do this one. That's the name if I can get it in. Yeah, that's the name. I don't know if you can read it goodly, but that's the name. That's also that's the E too, if you couldn't read the E or the L. Anyways, let's see the firework in action. Oh, it's just like the let me see if I can find it. It was just like those Gatling gun or machine gun ones. So there. So now we're moving on to this firework right here. Now this one is basically like a fountain, which we already have like another fountain. So we're gonna do this. Yeah, that's what it does. It shoots some little things up in the air. It sparks up just like that. Now I don't know how long this goes on for, but I'm just gonna let it go until it stops. And if you don't want to watch this part, then you can just skip it. Oh, it's already over. Okay, well now we're moving on to the fountain since. Well, we already did a firework that's similar to this fountain, or similar to a fountain firework, so we're doing this one. Wow. Look at it. Look at it go. Oh. It's getting more aggressive. Look at that. Look at that. It's getting more aggressive. Look. Oh, it's starting to go down. Oh. Is that it? Oh. Oh! Whoa! Look at that. Oh, that was its final move. Oh, that was its final move. Okay, well now we're moving on to this firework again, since we already did this one, but we didn't do them both, so we're doing it again. Bam, it pops just like that. We have this firework is named Zeus. I didn't know that fireworks could be named after gods, but E. There it goes. I don't know if you can see it. Did it work? Oh, let me go over there. Did it work? Did it explode? Hold on, wait. Let me do this again. That's why I spawned in two. So here. Put that there. Go. Bam. That's why I spawned in two, just in case if it didn't really explode that good. You know, that's the pistol. Anyways, we have these. They're basically like the same thing, but instead they're in a box. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh. I'll be right back. Okay, well now I know to never spawn in oh wait. Now I know, oh, I can't, oh, fine. Okay, now I know to never spawn in the firecrackers. Because the firecrackers that were in the box, I were too close to them, and when I used the gravity gun to pick them up and launch them, they lit and they exploded all the bottle rockets and all the other fireworks that I were gonna do. So to cope with that, we have all the bottle rockets, we have some of these, we have some of these, and a little tiny bottle rocket right here to do it again because the last time, or because the firecrackers blew up the original fireworks that were gonna explode. So now we're doing all the bottle rockets. Bam. There it goes. What if we aim one that way? Let's see. Oh, it went a different direction. Oh, look at that one. It's skinny than all the other ones. Go. Be free. Be free. Also, by the way, we can have fireworks here in this country. It's just that we can't have fireworks that fly up in the air. We can't have bottle rockets or any other fireworks that fly up in the air. Just ones that explode on the ground. Okay, you know what? I'm done with this. I'm not. Yeah, okay. Maybe it's best that we just explode some fireworks, but not on GM Construct. This exploding fireworks on GM Construct is bad luck apparently, since one of the fireworks exploded right next to the other bottle rockets. So maybe it's best that we just explode fireworks in a different map, because GM Construct is not a good place to explode fireworks. But only because I got bad luck 2 times. One because of a firecracker and the other one because of a bottle rocket. So maybe it's best that we don't explode fireworks here. The only reason why I exploded fireworks here was because I wanted to do it on a different map, since the last 2 times that I did it in a destructible map in GM 711. And in GM Construct, the bottle rockets exploded and exploded all the other ones. The firecracker messed up the thing, or messed up the original, or all the original fireworks that were gonna explode. So next time when I make another one of these videos, I am never ever doing it in GM Construct again. So if you're wondering why I did it in GM Construct, was because I wanted to do fireworks in an original map, like one that comes with the game. But now I know that it's bad luck exploding fireworks here. So yeah, I'm just gonna explode one firework. Okay, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna I'm gonna go somewhere else. Oh yeah, that's a fidget toy, by the way.